Happy Gudi Padwa! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Akshita Pagar, your host and your lovely creator. And today is Gudi Padwa. I'm so excited for it. Uh, it's a Hindu New Year. It's a Hindu New Year, more specifically Marathi New Year. And if you didn't know, I'm Maharashtrian, but I live in Gujarat. That's another topic. But any which ways, we are getting ready for it. And Happy New Year to whoever is watching. By the way, I'm on my period, so I'm just going to be a spectator. So I thought maybe I should take you guys with me. What do you say? It's going to be fun. It's going to be amazing. We're going to have a lot of puram puri, a lot of sweets, a lot of ras. Let's go and do some preparations, which is just me filming everyone. नाही गुढी पाडवा कशासाठी असतो
आपल्या मराठी लोकांचा
न्यू इयर हे तुम्हाला माहिती आहे This is called as a puran, and then it will become puram puri after this. I don't know the exact process, but that's how it works. She's just a spectator for today, but it's going to be amazing. My work. Can anyone tell this is supposed to look like Ganpati Bappa? Good job, mummy. Obviously, I cannot skip coffee, so we are making some coffee. After that, we are getting dressed, and I'm wearing pink. Huh, mama? Oh, coffee's brewing. Coffee's brewing. All the samagri for Gudi Padwa. This one is a Mexican blend and it's amazing. Like, it's out of my comfort zone, but it's really good. The outfit, I was thinking I'll go for like a very subtle pink dress. I don't have that many Indian outfits. The one I recently bought is from Biba and it's pink and it's amazing. So I was thinking I'll do that one. I could do red. What else? I could also do yellow. This one's really cool. It's chiffon, so you do not need to press this, and that's the one thing I love about traditional clothes. If they save me a little bit money in dry clean, I'm so happy with it. Look at the pattern. This is also giving the Gudi aesthetic. The Gudi is basically folded and made pleats with. So this is kind of giving that aesthetic. I could be a Dululu, but this is giving that. Let me get dressed, do my makeup and come back. I'm all set and ready, so let's go down and celebrate the festival. Look how amazing this dress is. It's a bit loose, but that's okay. Happy Gudi Padwa. By the time I could come down, they already did the puja, so yeah, that was fun. What's up? What's up, Arjun? Arjun is sick. Arjun, last time you were wearing blue for Gudi Padwa.
तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना गुढीपाडवाची हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
He's taking a photo for this story. He's gonna close the door, come again, and then tell me to be like, I want this here, I want that here, and then he's gonna make me post also from my account. So wait and watch. That's the story that I edited. Do you like that? And I'm gonna repost this, so tag me also. Arjun's gonna tell us the importance of Gudi Padwa today. No, you're gonna, because you are a Marathi. The blood of Chhatrapati Shivaji you have, so you have to tell it.
सगळ्यात पहिले
हाँ सबसे पहले फर्स्टली या वील डू सबटाइटल्स
मराठी न्यू इयर. मराठीच्या नवा वर्षाची तुम्हाला हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. गुढीपाडवाची तुम्हाला हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. आता माझी मम्मी तुम्हाला समजवेल का गुढीपाडवा आपण का म्हणतो.
We are having a breakfast. We are having some delicious poha. That's a staple in a Marathi household for sure. Arjun, like always, is on his phone. I don't know what's wrong with this generation. Always on its phone.
Smile without your eyes. Raise your eyebrows. Stop smiling. That's your model face.
Me and Arjun are currently going to D-Mart. Reliance. Why? Why? Because he just wants to, and probably we'll get some snacks. Who knows? Let's go. He's driving like Max Verstappen. Max Carlos. Max Verstappen. Ooh, close. My earrings today are a shit. It's a no match, but I had no other option. So I had to stick with them. Probably I need new ones, you know, that go with every single traditional outfit. I had one, but I lost it when the last time I wore this dress. I don't know if I made a video about it, but I was getting ready in my father's car and my mom just lost them out of nowhere. People today are going to school, having fun. I was assuming that today will be a chutti, like a leave in school. It's probably not. Max Verstappen. Smells bad. Big. You can't come into it. 175. Save 175. Price is 347. 347 buy it. How many liters? How many? 800 ml. Nice. This is one of the best glosses ever. I've never used like a micellar water from Lakme, but the packaging so much better than Garnier. Sun protection plus a serum. Sun protection and a serum by Vaseline. Vaseline?
काय हे आहे
Yes. SPF 15.
में तर काय होईल.
Sweet potato. We found another flavor. This one is seaweed wasabi. I'm gonna take 2 of these because it's 1 plus 1 for 100 rupees. It's 1 plus 1. I'm not gonna eat the entire thing. You can have half of it. Also, I'm looking for Tang apple flavor. Delicious. The auntie there was giving me a look because I think they all forgot that today is Gudi Padwa and you're supposed to dress like it. Anyways, let's do a taste test. We got 2 chips and I also got a lip gloss. This one is one of my favorite flavors and it's been a long time since I tried it. So we're gonna give it a try. Ew. It's really good. I love the color. It's so good. Very poutable. If I put my Dior gloss on top of this, it's gonna be so good. It's gonna eat. One, two. basic Balaji chips. They're not good whatsoever. It's made out of sweet, but yeah, it's not the vibe. It's not the vibe. The seaweed flavor. Take it. These are better. These are nice. Nice and crunchy. They're sweet. Yeah, they're sweet, but at the same time they're little like masala. Huh?
Aftertaste
Aftertaste is debatable because it's sweet potato. No. We're getting some sugarcane juice and oh my god, it's gonna be so good. Hi. This is what we are supposed to eat on Gudi Padwa, which is called as the sweet food because it's a ras, amaras, and puram puri. These are the most decadently delicious sweet meals you're gonna have, and it's gonna make you feel so good because it's got jaggery and sugar in it, like 90% jaggery, 10% sugar, even sometimes 5%. But this, heaven. I'm gonna devour this, watch some K-drama. See you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed. Happy Gudi Padwa. Stay safe, stay healthy. Akshita Pagar out. Bye.